day, guys. Yes, another lesson, and today we'll be looking at what's a pin bar. Okay, guys, I've got the pin bar all over my chart. Can you see them? Can you see all the pin bars all over my chart? Now, what are the pin bars? No, it's short for Pinocchio. You must have known Pinocchio, that little liar, constantly lying, and his nose keep on growing and growing. So the Pinocchio bar. Now, so the market then tries to run away. And then what happens? The market pulls back. So it was lying that it was going to go, but it didn't actually go. Right? The market was going down, but then it comes back and it probably again going in the upward direction. So pin bar, which is short for Pinocchio bar, is a single candlestick setup that clues price action traders into the potential reversal in the market. A pin bar is an elongated wick that sticks out from price action. Traders will usually look for one-sided wicks that are 2 times the size of the candlestick. Okay, guys? Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, so if you look at this bit here compared to this bit here is 2 times, yeah? So 2 times this bit, because it says here, right, elongated wick that sticks out the price. Traders will usually look for one side wick, okay? 2 times the size of the candlestick. So this wick here is 2 times the size of this bit, 2 times the size of this bit. Okay, 2 times the size of this bit, 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 2 times the size of 2 times the size of this bit. Okay, right, guys. Okay, so now so label the different parts of the pin bar. Okay, so this is a tail, wick or shadow. This is the body. That's the nose. Okay, see, nose. Okay, nose, yeah, body, tail. This is what we call a bearish pin bar. Even if it's green, this is what we call a bullish pin bar. Okay, so parts of the so long upper or lower tail. Okay, the end opposite the wick is called the nose. The longer the wick, the better the signal. The longer the wick, the better the signal. The nose should be lower than the main wick. So this nose should be lower than the main wick. The nose should be lower than the main wick. It should not be sticking out from the bottom of surrounding prices. And guys, I'm going to show you an example of when it's sticking out, but it's actually in the direction of the trend. So then sometimes it says fake us, thinking that, oh, there's going to be a reversal because it might be at a supply or there's a demand zone. And then we're thinking, oh, it's time for it to reverse. But then you've got to be mindful when it comes on to the trend and if it's in that direction. Okay? Now, so we've got the types of pin bar. These are what we types of pin bar again. Yeah? So we've got the bullish, we've got the bearish. Okay? Now, bullish pin bar tail is pointing down. It is rejecting demand zones. The price tends to rise after this candle. Okay, so we're looking, it's rejecting demand zones. So we're only going to be taking these price action trade at demand zones. Okay, the bearish pin bar tail is pointing up. Okay, it's rejecting supply zone. So if we've got the supply zone up there and this is sticking out, then we're going to be taking these trades. But also, it is best. It's the best indicator for reversal trade, especially if you combine it with the bearish engulfing, or you combine it with the inside bar. Okay, guys. Now, so let's look. So here we go. We've got a bullish engulfing. Okay. Okay, and if you notice, it sticks out from the rest. Look at this, bearish engulfing, sticking out from the rest. Okay. Now let's look at this again. We've got a bearish pin bar, sticking out from the rest of price action. Okay. Now let's look at some bullish pin bar sticking out below the other candles zone, not the demand. So we've got these demand zones. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is a supply zone. you know, price has been there before. We got this really nice long tail, yeah, pin bar, yeah. So this bearish pin bar, boom, look at that, nice. But let's look now. So we break down, break above, pull back to this level, right? We got it, you know, protruding everybody else, yeah. Look, take the trade. Look at that, nice. Look at that, nice, yeah. Okay. Now, see, look at that, nice one. Okay, guys. So I love these pin bars. You know, I love what they can do. Really good trade setup, guys. Just be patient. Wait for these really lovely setup where the pin bars are concerned. Okay. But guys, let me show you something here now. This thing here breaks up, break down, yeah. Pull back. Now, this might have been saying in a downtrend, right? But look at what happened. It breaks down, pull back, yeah. But look at this. We had this pin bar, yeah. Shake out a lot of people who thought, well, you know what? You've got this bearish engulfing, so this thing is going to be going down, yeah? Going back down. But then, what happens when you see this pin bar, and we have noticed as well that the trend has changed, then look, it's just a nice, you know, sometimes we've just got to go with the trend. Look at that, it's a nice, you know, uptrend there, going on and on. So, let's look at this now. This one here, look, we're making what? Look at these are all what? Higher lows. But then we get this bearish pin bar, sticks out from the rest. Yeah, but then guys, this is what? This is with, you know, this is going against the trend. Yeah, we are also at supply zone. But then guys, what I would do for me, and remember we're going to lose some, we can't win all. Yeah, because this is not the holy grail. There's no holy grail. So what I do, I put my entry 5 pips below, right, the low of this candle, and I might not have been triggered in. Yeah, I might have been triggered in over there. Okay, and you know, if I sort of didn't cancel this trade, so I might not would have been triggered in, but I might have been triggered in there. Okay, you know, and then been stopped out up there. But guys, as I said, we're not going to win every single one. But then if you look, I'm looking, we're brisking down to that level. Okay, that's where I'll be going, because, you know, or just wait for the market to go back to this zone before taking the trade. Okay, but then look guys, we've got these higher highs as we go along. Okay, so bearish pin bar, but just be mindful that they don't always work. And it's best if you've got confidence with, say for example, an engulfing candle or an inside bar. Those are far more profitable trades, higher percentage, higher win rate. Okay, so that's the end of that, guys, about pin bars. You know, just give, you know, let me know what you think of these videos that I'm sending out. Guys, give me a thumbs up, give me good reviews. I'm not begging for reviews, but guys, just let me know what you think about my videos so I can improve as we move forward. Thank you for watching. God bless.